واحدة بعت جواب تقول الشباب هنا والشابات يشتاقون لبيوت للخلوة زي دير أبو سفين والأماكن الهادئة في الويك إند. يعني بقى قديسين خالص للدرجات دي يعني. طبعا إذا وجدت بيوت خلوة تكون بيوت خلوة للشبان لوحديهم وبيوت خلوة للشابات لوحديهم. نعم. يبقى عايزين خلوة يعني يختلوا بربنا ولا يختلوا ببعض؟ لا. لو عملوا المشروع بتاع اسمه ايه ابيونا ده ولا مشروع بيونا ده، هو اسمه مش باين يسر. يا جد، لو اتعمل المشروع ده ممكن يصلح كمدرسة وكنيسة وبيت خلوة، ممكن، أو بيت خلوة في بعض أوقات ونشاط رياضي في أوقات أخرى، وتبقى حاجة جميلة جدا. هو مساحته قد إيه هناك؟ يعني ممكن الفصول يتعمل لها بارتيشنز تبقى فصول صغيرة. أنا عايزكم تهتموا بموضوع مدرسة هنا. لما تعملوا مدرسة تقدروا تربوا أولادكم في جو نقي، أنا عايز التصفيق ده يترجم إلى تبرعات للمشروع. يا عم حد قال هيمشي؟ أما دي حاجة، ده زي اللي بيخافوا بلا سبب. ما جبناش سيرة للموضوع ده أبدا. طب ما هو قاعد معاكم، هو ما حد مشاه؟ نعم.
On behalf of myself, the youth of St. Mark and all churches, our Holy Father, I would like you to accept our sincere thanks for your fatherly decision of making Father Pedro stay with us and lead us to the right way of Christianity. May God give you strength and health to lead the Holy Catholic Orthodox Church and the whole world to the kingdom of God, for which reason you have been presented with a book which shows a portion of our love and appreciation for his contemporaries.
Father Tadros is staying in St. Mark Church. He will not leave. In order to encourage him to stay, you should help him in his projects. Is this all right? خلاص. If you help him in his projects, he will be encouraged to stay. هو عايز يقعد بالثلاثة. فعلا الواحد مهما كان بيشعر انه محتاج لناس معاه. يعني تصوروا بولس الرسول على العظمة الجبارة بتاعته، في وقت من الأوقات شعر إن ناس كتير تركوه، وبعدين بعت لتلميذه تيموساوس قال له لوقا وحده معي، قال له ارسل مرقس واحضره معك لأنه نافع ليك. فما رضيش يقعد لوحده مع إن كان معاه لوقا، لكن حب يكمل الثلاثة برضه، ويبقى بولس ولوقا.
ابونا يوحنا مسلمني تالت
اختاروا اللي انتوا عايزينه وانا ابعته لكم ان شاء الله. ابعت لكم حد تاني.
يا يا سيدنا بالنسبه للمدرسه السنه الجايه ان شاء الله.
نعم،
السنه الجايه ان شاء الله
احنا هنبحث ايه الطرق العملية لإنشاء المدرسة. ايه الطرق العملية لإنشاء المدرسة؟ انتوا عايزين المدرسة دي تهبط إليكم من فوق زي أورشليم السمائية؟ لازم تساعدوا على إنشائها. اقتراح ما اعرفش ايه رأيكم فيه غير المدرسة يعني. هل ممكن نعمل اجتماع عام للخدام في كل منطقة نيو جيرسي ونيويورك؟ لا معلش، لتوحيد الفكر وتوحيد المنهج، وللاستفاد من الطاقات ومن المتكلمين، وتبادل للمتكلمين حتى، وتوحيد الفكر، بدل ما تبقى كل كنيسة كأنها جزيرة في
يحصل كل شهر هنا في اجتماع الكنائس.
نعم.
كل الكنائس بتيجي بتعمل
اجتماع عام ولا اجتماع خدام؟ لا انا بتكلم على الخدام يعني. نعم،
يوم روح
اجتماع خدام، بس يبقوا خدام يعني خدام مش زي النهارده جبتوا الاطفال والستات اذا كانوا خادمات ممكن يعني. قصدي اقول علشان يبقى الكلام موحد في موضوع خاص بالخدمة. ما فيش مانع ان الكل ييجوا في اجتماع عام، لكن ده لا يمنع وجود اجتماع للخدام، حاجة تبقى سبيسيفيك كده. نعم.
فممكن نعمل لهم مكان
او ده ممكن، عندنا مباني كتيرة الاطفال نعمل لهم فصل لوحده والخدام يقعدوا. العيال طبعا بيفرحوا ان يقولوا الحان ويكونوا مبسوطين وحلوين كده، بس حاليا هم فاهمين حاجة من اللي احنا بنقوله. لا لا معلش. لا يعني دي جربتها في مصر مرة زمان أيام ما كنت أسقف، وكان برضو بيجوا أطفال كتير، فكان في واحد بياخدهم كلهم ويعمل لهم اجتماع أثناء وجود الاجتماع الكبير عشان يقدروا يستفيدوا، فكان بيبقى فيه فايدة لهنا وهنا. طبعا احنا بنرحب بالعيال ونحبهم لأن هم دول مستقبل الكنيسة. نعم. هل دول هيستفيدوا منها ولا نديهم حاجة تاني؟ نعم. واحد بيقول we would like His Grace Bishop Musa and Bishop Thomas to stay with us for longer period of time. His Grace Bishop Musa was ordained a bishop for youth for Egypt, and then we began to have conferences in the lands of immigration and let him have periods outside Egypt. Not only in America, but also in Canada, in Europe, in Australia. How can we let him leave all his work everywhere in order to stay only in New Jersey? As you love him, also the churches of Australia love him also, and the churches of Europe, and the churches of Canada, and the churches of the rest of America. We need some bishops to be the same as Bishop Musa. But every bishop has his own diocese. We could spare Bishop Thomas for a certain period of time, but he has a diocese in Egypt. Can he leave his diocese forever? واحد بيقول لي can you send for us cassette tapes with sermons, with your sermons in English? I'll try to do it. About 40 books were translated into English language. There is a list left here, and there is you can obtain these books from here, from our residence. And I think there is another bookshop in in San Francisco. No? I try to send you cassettes. I'll try. My main problem is time. لما بلاقي ناس قاعدين كده يلاقوا وقت بيهيصوا اقول يا رب دول جايبين وقت منين؟ او الاقي ناس بيلعبوا في نادي لاقيين وقت يلعبوا في نادي. Also برضه بيسأل بيقول also our priests doesn't allow us to go to Sunday school trips unless the kids will learn something scientific or spiritual, but not for just to enjoy time together. Is it wrong to go to a park or play ball with our children in the name of our church? You can mix the two matters together. I know that some of Sunday school teachers may take the bus for a certain trip. And in the bus, they may have some spiritual songs, some biblical questions and answers, some stories, and they go and play. And after a period of play, they return to their spiritual meeting and then to play, and to mix the two matters together, because we can't have all the children concentrated in spiritual lectures for a long time. They will not go once more in such a trip, but you can mix the two together. Some time for playing, for enjoying yourselves together in an innocent refreshment, and then you may have lectures. Yes.
Curriculum for Sunday school, if possible. I asked Bishop Serapion when he was here. He told me that I have to wait until Your Holiness arrive here. We have the old one, which is by Bishop Ruiz. I think that's the copyright of 1981. Is it possible to request an updated one?
We prepared a curriculum for secondary schools. I don't know what. The last grades before going to the university. What do you call them?
High school.
High schools. And we are preparing a curriculum for preparatory schools and then for primary schools. Uh, I'll do my best to finish with the curriculum this year and to send not only the curriculum but also the lessons in English language.
I need to ask you, if there is a possibility we could teach our youth and people even in high school the Psalms during the Sunday school class, even though the Psalms is very hard to memorize, but at least we take verses from the Psalms and try to complete it throughout the Sunday school classes in a month. Like, for example, if we take the first Psalm, the Thanksgiving, which is the first one, and we could give a first paragraph for the kids to learn in the Sunday school and try to memorize it with them. And then we keep it up until the end of the month. They will us actually, the Sunday school teacher and the kids memorize it together. And we could have it like by the end of the month. We could like show it to our priest, the bishop, whoever is here, to show them that we are doing some activities throughout the Psalms. Is that okay?
The child has a very nice memory, especially during the first year of childhood, while their memory is not full of lessons of schools, of magazines, newspapers. So I know some children in Egypt, a child of about 5 years old, and she could memorize many Psalms of David. And she could memorize also many biblical verses according to alphabet from A to Z. And she could memorize also some prayers of the Agbeya. You know the meaning of Agbeya? طيب. You can teach the children to memorize Psalms of David, but for those, I mean this for kids, but for youth, we should have some contemplations on Psalms, not only to memorize, but to have contemplation. And we let them memorize the short Psalms of David. There are short Psalms, as Psalm number 1, number 3, number 12, many other Psalms, as for example, سبحوا الرب أيها الفتيان. There are many short Psalms which can easy to be memorized, but a very long one may be difficult.
Your holiness suggests that if we're going to give them Psalms to memorize, we should start with the short Psalms with them. And if there is no age for that, I mean, we shouldn't.
No, I'll tell you.
Start like a 10
I'll tell you. First, you may choose some verses, not the whole Psalms, some verses. As for example, for the child in Arabic, أنا هقول لك شوية بالعربي وشوية بالإنجليزي. If we give him only this verse, باركي يا نفس الرب ولا تنسي كل حسناتي. حفظها نقول له باركي يا نفسي يا الرب وكل ما في باطن يبارك اسم القدوس. خلصت، أو صلم كويس. أو مثلا اللهم التفت إلى معونتي يا رب اسرع وأعن. Only a verse from the Psalm. And then if his memory is ready to know more from the Psalms of David, who can give him a short psalm, but a long one may be very difficult. A long.
Is it okay to put it in during the Sunday school class?
It is an activity. It is an activity, not to be instead of the lesson. In something additional to the lesson. Very nice. نعم. Yes.
We follow a very useful way for memorizing the psalm. For those who can read, we let them pray the Agvei. By repetition, they will learn most of all the psalms of the Agvei. We get to them praying the Agvei, getting used to it, and then they will learn what not.
For the Agviyah, you have in every prayer 12 psalms. And in the morning, you will have 18 psalms. Can a child read all these psalms of David?
No, we divide it every day, 2 or 3. But they complete it through 4 or 5 days for the morning prayer. The other 3 psalms every day, and they complete it through 4 days. So
For what age?
for those who can read, I'm saying, who can read and can pray with the Agvei. But for the young ones, they can.
Yes, Edna, our problem here is our children have different grades, and we can't keep teaching them the same stories in each grade. Like I suggest from grade 13, from grade 8, 9 until 12. Those 4 years should be given the chance to have biblical studies. I mean studies that should be really concentrated on. Like in the first year and the second year, they can finish the New Testament with the Psalms, and then they go to the Old Testament. All the Catholic schools in their religion here, they give them subjects, and it's shameful, like our children who have brains can't repeat all the stories over and over. It's insulting to their intelligence. Besides, they are not learning too much. Besides, they don't enjoy Sunday school. If you give the children special tasks, like you read, for example, St. John, make it divided into twice, and give half the time for the traditional story, and half the time for the Bible study, believe me, you will find many, many activities among those children, and they will learn more, they will love the church more, and you will have many of them that will minister and serve the church.
But I want to tell you something. We can't have the curriculum for Bible study only, because we have to let them know their dogma, their theology, also some